Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, you cannot avoid your dramas. Think over. You want to avoid your dramas. If you want to win in a big way, you have to risk in a big way. If you want to avoid your dramas, you cannot risk much. Does it make sense? So if you cannot risk, then you become a loser. Understand, a drama is necessary to get what you want, regardless where. For sure, love dramas. So there are so many misconceptions about dramas and negative interpretation on the internet. And they are, as usual, from positive thinkers. What is inside, that is outside. And you attract what is inside and not what you want necessarily. So if you attract dramas, because the dramas have been already inside of yourself, and you get what you need, what you deserve. It's just so simple. Think over. Then the next concept that I read again and again, and I get so many times anger about this. No? Don't be together with drama magnets. Okay. Tell me from any great star, be it singer, be it dancer, be it actor, who was not a drama magnet. Think over. Tell me. You cannot find any. Okay. Then you should not be together with a drama magnet. Honesty. When Whitney Houston was under 30 years old, no? I would have done everything to be together with her. And she was a huge drama magnet. So, and you want only together with positive people. Okay. If you leave the drama magnets alone, do you think that your life will change and will become better? You have attracted the drama magnets because of what is inside of yourself. If you leave the drama magnets alone, your life will not improve. Very simple thing. Then you cannot blemish your dramas on the drama magnets. You get them. Otherwise you would never have attracted such drama magnets. Makes that sense or not? Okay, you are together with a drama magnet and you say, I don't want to be together. Or with a friend who has big problems and is negative, let him alone. And then your friend takes suicide. And I've seen this again and again by other people. And you go to the funeral and tell everybody what a great guy your friend was. We see this everywhere, no? We see this everywhere. Do you think God will think great about you? God will think that you are a BS person. And He gave you the chance. And you have skipped the chance. And then it was easy for God to find out what kind of person you are. So you lose the grace of the Lord in a big way. If you can pray all the time. When you help somebody, then every person is perfect. Okay. And we are here to help each other. And if we think we choose only positive people, our life will not improve. Because still the dramas are inside of ourselves. Or we want to risk something, we cannot, because maybe we will lose, and then we are in a big drama. And nobody wants together to be with a loser. Okay. Then you cannot lose anything if you don't take any risk. Makes sense. It is psychology proof what I said. What is inside is outside, and you attract what is inside. This is simple psychology. So what is, if you make body and feelings orientated therapy? To release your traumas, to explore your traumas and see what traumas you have inside. And this is the solution. Then your life becomes easier because you don't attract the dramas, because you have released the traumas who have attracted these dramas in your life. And so you don't need to become a BS person who doesn't care for other people. Does it make sense? Life is just so simple. Just make therapy, release your dramas, and you attract more from the things that you like. But also so, when you want to win in a big way, you have to take the risk. And if you lose, you are in a drama. Life is life. No? Nothing to lose. That is not the optimal life. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.